as I'm slowly renovating my house, redoing all the tile floor, new base, new paint. I have a perfect little entrance here that I would need an entrance table for. So we're going to build one. My only goal is to keep it under 50 bucks. Okay, we got two 2x6s, 10 feet long. They were like 22 bucks each, so 23 bucks each, so a little bit under 50 bucks. They're just Doug fir. And you know the problem with building out of lumber? Nothing. One consistent challenge I have with projects is the amount of time I spend on the project in my head before I even touch a tool. So for this project, I'm challenging myself to just go. I'm not spending a bunch of time planning things out, modeling anything on the computer. I'm just going. As I sketch this out, I want to share one of my favorite quotes I heard a few years ago. It's, anything worth doing is worth doing wrong. Now, if you heard that quote and it made you feel uncomfortable, then it's probably a good quote for you. But if you heard it and you kind of liked it, then please don't listen, because it's definitely not a good quote for you. People like me that spend a lot of time overthinking and in your head, sometimes you overcomplicate something to the point where you don't do it at all. The example I best heard to explain it was brushing your teeth. It is definitely worth it to brush your teeth, but sometimes if I can't do the full 2-3 minutes, then I don't brush my teeth at all, and that is stupid. So if it's worth doing, it's worth doing wrong. It's better to brush your teeth for 30 seconds than not at all. Okay, I think this is our orientation we're going to go with. It's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. They're going to glue together all right, but they are bowed in different directions. So we're going to clamp the crap out of it. We'll see how it'll do. It's all dried. Let's pull the clamps off. See how heavy it is. The question I have to answer now is whether I cut it up, basically cut the legs off, and then weather all the pieces separately, or if we have a variety of tools we're going to use to weather it. We've got a flap disc on an angle grinder. We we have a wire wheel, which is going to do a lot of the heavy lifting. It's going to remove a lot of the soft woods before it removes the hardwood, so it kind of weathers how it naturally would. Got hammers, chisels, sanders, pretty much any tool we can find we're going to use. Okay, here's the end result. I had about 1 million different video clips I wasn't able to include. But I'm pretty happy with it overall.